Tip 88. Seasons. Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, winter, spring, summer, autumn. Cold days, warm days, hot days, cool days. Tip 88. Seasons. Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, winter, spring, summer, autumn. North of the equator, winter, December, January, February, spring, March, April, May, summer, June, July, August, autumn, September, October, November. South of the equator, winter, June, July, August, spring, September, October, November, summer, December, January, February, autumn, March, April, May. Tip 88. Exercise. Fishing. In summer, we have hot days. Spain is located in the Northern Hemisphere. In December will be winter. In Andorra, spring is a warm season. South Africa is located in the Southern Hemisphere. Please subscribe to the channel not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.